Ganesh Chaturthi is a festival of joy, devotion, and creativity. In this video, we bring you beautiful and easy craft ideas to make your celebrations more special in 2025. From eco-friendly paper decorations to creative Ganesh Chaturthi DIY crafts, these ideas are perfect for kids, beginners, and school projects. What you'll find in this video: easy Ganesh Chaturthi craft ideas step by step, simple paper crafts and decorations for kids, eco-friendly Ganpati decoration ideas, school activity and home decoration crafts, creative DIY craft. Ganesh Chaturthi 2025 bring the festive vibes into your home with these colorful handmade crafts and make Ganesh Chaturthi 2025 memorable. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow our Facebook page for more creative and craft ideas. Thank you. Bye.